Have you ever wondered why dogs tilt their heads when you talk to them? Scientists believe dogs do this to better understand what they're hearing. By tilting their heads, they may be able to pinpoint where a sound is coming from and focus on important words they recognize, like walk or treat. Some experts also think dogs tilt their heads to see your face more clearly, especially if their snout blocks part of their view. So the next time your dog gives you that adorable head tilt, it might actually be trying to understand you better.